Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your device location on your IMDB app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your IMDB app. So all you have to do, just go down here, you click here on your hair and this sign down here, then it's going to take us to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go up, you click here on this sign here in app, then it's going to show for your list like this, and you just click here on watch preferences, and it's going to take you to next step here, and you click here on location settings. So you click here in this sign here, then it's going to show for your list like this. Then you come here to use device location, you will click here on this sign, and like you say no, this color show for us here, so just click here on while using app. So and you click here on okay, sorry, I'm click here, so enable to trim location. So here is not so I'm going to choose here my country. So I think my country here is not exist here, but so if you have here your country, so just click on your country like United States for example, and you click here on use device location, and here can you add your postal code, and you click here on okay, then it's going to add with you on your MDB app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.